let's look at the tools we will be using for this project. First off, we're going to be using the healing brush, the spot healing brush, the patch tool, and notice when I click and hold, it brings this flyout menu so you can choose between them being the different tools. So pick the tool, click and hold, and then choose which option you would like. So those are the healing tools. Next is the clone stamp tool. In this one, we're only going to be using the clone stamp tool, so you don't need to click and hold. Just click on it to make it active. Okay? We're going to be using the hand tool, and we're going to be using the zoom tool. Right off the bat, the zoom tool can make things larger. If you use a modifier key, which would be the option key, and hold that down, you can see we go from a plus, let's find a spot here, a plus, hold the option key down, it becomes a minus. So plus enlarges, minus takes it down. Up here in the options bar, you can switch between plus and minus. If you don't want to use the modifier key, you can just come up here and click plus or minus. Also, you can do command plus to go larger, command minus to go smaller. Lots of ways to adjust the size. So if we're really big and you double click on the hand tool, click, it fits the image within the frame of your page. If you double click on the zoom tool, click, it takes your image to 100%. So when you're doing the retouching, you want to be working at 100, 200, 300%, depending on your monitor resolution. What you don't need to be working at is 1,000 or 1,600%. Okay, you want to be working large enough that you can see everything that needs correcting. So when we're larger, let's go big here. Whoops, I'm going the wrong way. Why? Because I still have the option clicked up here in the options tool. So when we're big like this, if we choose the hand tool, we can then move around. One of the things I find that people like when they're starting out is to use the Navigator panel. So you go up to Window, and we're going to choose Navigator. And the reason why people like that is because it kind of shows you where you are, or you can move your photograph or move around the photograph here. So it helps you to keep track of where you're at. So you can also go down here or up here for size. Okay, so this is the hand tool and the zoom tool. One other thing, no matter what tool you're on, if you hold the space bar on your keyboard, you go to the hand tool. Okay, so if I'm up here on the healing brush, let's say, and I hold that space bar, it takes me to the hand tool. So I don't always have to come back here and click. It saves time to know the space bar takes you to the hand tool.